Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply offset command to the objects in AutoCAD. So let's suppose this is the object and we wanna create 3 to 4 offsets. So to create it, you just have to click on this home button, and here in this modify group, in the right lower corner, you will see the offset. So after selecting, your command will be activated, and now you have to select the distance, that what should be the distance from your offsetted object to the real object. So let's keep it as 5. Press enter. Now select the object and align the where you wanna keep it, right, left or right. You can select multiple of objects till your command is deactivated. I need 5, so here's the 5. Similarly, you can use the offset command by just using shortcut key, that is OF, enter, specify the distance. This time I'm taking 7, enter, select the object, and in the circle, this way offset works. Similarly, here in this rectangle, just after clicking, this offset works like this. So this way you can use the offset in AutoCAD, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.